seconds got superpowers. Turn my minutes into hours. You got more than 20/20, babe.
Alright, y'all, so let's start with this grocery haul. I got 2 cases of bubbly waters, of course. This is my favorite. Like, show me something better. But this week I'm trying a raspberry flavor. Hope it's good. I think I'm gonna like it. Then I got the kids waters because I'm sick and tired of the boys opening up the big waters and they don't drink it all. And then over here I got some orange juice, 2 gallons of milk. Back here I got some creamer that I want to try out. Got iced coffee, chocolate milk, and then oat milk for my iced coffee. And then got some body armors. Last time I tried the strawberry grape and I didn't really care for it, so I'm just gonna stick with fruit punch and blue raspberry because that's what I know and that's what I love. And then back here I got some cookies and cream ice cream, one for Jordan and one for Chance. And then these Trix ice cream bars are for me and they're so good. I love it. And then back here got the pretzel dolls again. I didn't get to try it last time because they ate it all before I could get some. Got some bomb pops and then taquitos that got beef and cheese and then chicken and cheese. And then we got Zatarans, shrimp alfredo. This is the only kind I'm gonna get now because I really don't care for the blackened. I think it's like Cajun, blackened Cajun, something like. I don't like that one no more. But these are good. Then got some breakfast bowls, sausage always. Got some hot pockets right here, pizza rolls. Then back here I got fish sticks. Then 2 bags of hot wings, 2 bags of chicken nuggets. Jordan, he said he really liked these, so I got these again. And then my chicken nuggets when I make my Chick-fil-A at home. So good. And then these, I was supposed to get flatbread, but I guess they didn't have any, so they just substitute and gave me these. I really don't know what I'm gonna do with them because it's not what I want, but I'm gonna figure out something. Then I got some pre-made salads. This one is the chef. Then Fiesta and Cobb salad at the bottom. Oh, and then I got waters, 2 cases of waters. Then over here with the chips, we got sweet. You know, I love my sweet heat barbecue. And then got some cheddar and sour cream, flaming hot. The boys some Takis. And then back here we got what's are those? The Nutri-Grain bars. And then Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Fruit Loops, Fruity Pebbles. And back here got noodles. And then I want to try these out, so I got these to try out. And then we got some Scooby snacks. And these are mine. Hershey with almonds. And for some reason, I got 2 things of Oreos. I didn't know. I'm gonna have to go check my order because I didn't know that I ordered 2. So 2 things of Oreos, hot dog buns, and then I'm trying this bread out. So hopefully that's good. Bread, wieners, cheese, bacon. What are these? Turkey breast. Oh yeah, they had to substitute because I had the one with the turkey breast and a honey ham. I don't like turkey breast like that. I'm more of a honey ham girl. Sour cream, Chick-fil-A sauce, pickles, ranch, and that's it. This was $300, and I feel like last time I thought I got more stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go double check and see if I got more stuff, but it's like the same thing, to be honest. And it's takes a toll. But yeah, that's all I got. I'm about to put this up and eat and call it a night.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.